The Tivy Antlers opened their playoff quest Saturday night against San Antonio Jefferson in an explosive game at Alamo Stadium that was heavy in first quarter fireworks. The Antlers got off to a hot start when, for the second week in a row, their first play from scrimmage went for a touchdown, 83 yards from quarterback Parks McNeil to Tyler Ahrens. When Jefferson's answering drive ended in a quick interception, the Antlers looked ready to run away with it, only for their drive to stall and end in a turnover on downs in the red zone. Then, it was the Mustangs' turn to strike hard and fast, a 91-yard touchdown pass to Maurice Hudspeth that tied the game at 7. Needing an answer, Tivy got more bad news on its next drive, when the Antlers fumbled the ball away and Jefferson recovered at the 7-yard line. One play later, the Mustangs were on top, 14-7 on a 7-yard rumble from running back Joseph Luna. Needing an answer more than ever, the Antlers were ready with one when Ahrens returned the ensuing kickoff 85 yards to the Jefferson 13-yard line. 4 plays later, Ahrens finished what he started with an 11-yard touchdown reception. With the game now tied at 14, the Antlers started to pull ahead, then pull away. A blocked punt set up a 25-yard touchdown run from Will Stuckey to put Tivy up 28-14. But the coup de grace came one Jefferson 3-and-out later when Ahrens, the magic man of the night, broke a punt return wide open for a 65-yard touchdown return. Tivy's defense, which had been inconsistent early, put more reliable pressure on Jefferson's quarterback through the rest of the game to help the Antlers come away with a 63-28 first-round playoff victory. For more on the story, read Monday's edition of the Kerrville Daily Times. This has been Kenny Ryan of the Kerrville Daily Times reporting.